Hello guys, this is the continuation of this series. Till now we have seen how we can deploy the model. Along with that we have discussed about how we can use the web search tool there in our last part. So now in the continuation of the web search tool we are going to extend our program to support the code interpreter tool. So code interpreter tool, if we talk about, it's used for the calculation. Like suppose we want some calculation in our prompt itself, like let's calculate the factorial of a particular number, let's calculate the interest of this. So the AI require the coding assistant tool there to analyze this input and to work upon that input. So to allow this type of prompting, we have to grant the support of the code interpreter tool itself. So we are going to explain this how we can use this code interpreter tool in the .NET code itself. So moving to the first Visual Studio Code, then we will see how we can proceed with that. So I hope and you are aware about this program that we have discussed in our last part. So to use the code interpreter tool, let me first copy the complete set of code and then we will discuss it. So this is the block of code. So this is the same. We are creating a client by using the endpoint and the API key itself. Now for the code interpreter tool itself, we use to this block of code. Here we are creating a code interpreter tool, and that tool we are using in the tool section along with the web search tool that we have appended earlier on. Now in this time we have given the instructions as well. This instruction is not a user input. This is a system level instruction to guide the model what it has to do. And this is the input, like what we want: calculate the factorial of a 20 and explain the result. So this is our block of code that you also can get from the description part itself. Let me run this code. It will take several seconds to compile it and to produce the result. So now you can see it has produced the output. As you can see here, the value of calculated is this, and how it has calculated it also explaining this steps as well. And also you can see the result as well here. This is the result and these are the steps. So it's only possible because we have allowed this code interpreter tool. Without this it will not able to calculate this because it don't know the what is the result of this. Allowing this code interpreter tool itself will allow the model to consume this tool itself. And now if we talk about what is the consumption and what is the input costing it has taken. So to do that we can go to the Foundry project itself. Let me move there. So I am in Foundry here. You can click on the model itself, and on the model you will get the monitor option. In the monitor you can see the number of requests, the total token count, the estimated cost, and the input tokens and the output tokens. So here you can see, like we have only 6 requests till now, and the total input token consumed is this, and the estimated total cost is rupees 0 till now. So this is the something that you can check upon the Foundry itself, like how many requests you have, how many amount, how much amount you have to be paid. So these are the details that you can check upon the monitor section in the model itself. Thank you guys. Let's meet in next video with the next part.